Let's do the Media House of the Year. Mr. Dubois.
Well, we are live on their screens this morning, and it goes to Coastal TV. Coastal TV.
They are still in
existence.
existence.
Mrs. Nyame is here.
They are still in existence.
You know, she's refusing to grow, so I didn't even see her. Congratulations to the team. Yes, they said you should go and advertise with them. What's your own face, your own, is it your own world? Your own face, your own voice. Yes. And the world of endless possibilities. So please remember Coastal TV.
Not forgetting the longest serving sport personality in Cape Coast. We hereby mention Mr.
Hold on. I wanted to do something little about this.
House of the Year. Mr. Dubois.
Well, we are live on their screens this morning, and it goes to Coastal TV. Coastal TV.
They are still in existence.
Mrs. Nyame is here.
They are still in existence.
You know, she's refusing to grow, so I didn't even see her. Congratulations to the team. Yes, they said you should go and advertise with them. What's your own face, your own, is it your own world? Your own face, your own voice. Yes. And the world of endless possibilities. So please remember Coastal TV.
Not forgetting the longest serving sport personality in Cape Coast. We hereby mention Mr.
Hold on. I want to
TV, so you see your own face, your own voice. So say no say ukojina baby now can Coastal TV. I also unfa Media House of the Year. Enfa kan yedi as I say achievements no eba bebre award nso eba bebre san say baby Coastal TV edu no. Enye me kwa na wose me ka che o me sure say wankasa wo bedi ho adanse. Yes, Osaberima Royal Awards 2026 Media House of the Year. Eye Coastal TV. Any other TV I will keep Coastal say but Coastal TV. And then we GD. Maybe I be for bia ya kokoti because award no is here your office. Media ye Amores. Major ho fans enya agro kra anope award no hasamana yegusa ye di award no eho nkomo meni wo mpeyifo akuku dem bia o ma beka mensa wo studio haseya ya ba beka award no ho asama wa ukọ bi Saturday ya na sa memenda etwam no wa uhuni esi ye obedi ho adanse ese na enya agro kra nipa no doors media houses na wo Cape Coast ase nkwampo omo doors nenso ni nyine mu no Coastal TV ejina ye nan so ye na ye Media House of the Year bia wo bia bon se mo Coastal TV ya ade akasa anopai mi wo new member of Coastal TV yen family no ebusuan no eye kese nipa na eba edom na eba me wo mama v ewo fia say me sanso Mr. Spill na amoesi members of Obrapa concert party wow show Coastal TV pa no be dia dance say party Sundays 8 p.m. and you may 8 show be a yendi ho agro kra ejina ne no nan so ankasa opesa wo sere opesa wo sua de opesa wo utu ho fo ni nyina no ya ka bom e de bro wo Obrapa concert party group no omo na omo de bro Sundays ntino sa wo hwe bia bomodin se wo de beto calendar so na wetimi ahwe sa program ni bi me ne emfo e na e wo fia se ya ye ba beka award ceremony nankasa as a whole no eho asem yes ya share Coastal TV ye nyini ye share ase ache enye ne enye nnekra yenye Gen Z organization ya cheye wo system nim nti wa ohwe Coastal TV no ubedi adanza nya mekra na wasa mekachiro omo na ye me no omo ba bedi enkomo anopen mama v akwaba they always say fresh no oh me ni achi motivate when I grow up I want to be like you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Spio Mr. Spio akwaba amwesi akwaba Yena. Debi omi to be wo. Debi miss akra.
Anya she be say bia yena.
Okay, so Mother's Day me cry a magic gift. Nti anya hwe eno anu no. Okay, mpayifo na me no mo ba bedi enkomo ne mum ye be sha ase a me pese ye sha ase efri memenda na siye ewo awards grounds na nkasa me ankasa de bibi nti me ankobi na mum man kono nso na chese ma me mbisem nti na wose me bisem ne ye bo me nkoma di se ma ankobi kra na e betse ne me kobi na menya information na wi nti ma me sha ase fri mama v ho ono any mpayifo aka bi e wo Coastal TV na ekoye kodi station nanim na yeje award fefefe e de ba efi ase ti o se me bisa ne se media manko bi ha na me wo na okoye no ekwan so award ceremony na nkasa no na wuhu ni sen
Susan menda wase anape it's ahwefa wo hwe hen nyina echia hon Saturday the Jumezin na oyefe papa ehwe akwana wo fa do siesie palace ho
okay
ana panara mudru ho na mse wow aha yefe papa nti yana na osaba makwesa to de bien yabona abado yama mmo na ye na yaze Jumezin oyefe papa on a whole everything was nice
okay
no oyefe na fiti asasana kapemewiyin nhyehyani na bibia kodo kama na ehwe the way award ceremony nara anwana wo beja award no wo pe bebi ma wotsan fefefe
okay
ana ihe no ahon sha wo keja ho na awardees no so wotsan ho baby
okay
enti so wo bo wuzina na won kofa wo beja wo na we ezi wechi na akaje wa award ewia podium no do na akọ na kechia na nan nsem nti oye ceremony oye fe papa oye kraboshe oye fe
okay just Coastal TV any Cape Coast nyina no ye waza oye so me ka fanti be ada I should ba kwenya so
ye waza oye na
ye waza oye ti mo say bibia de na kwemu organization bibia ye find there and na mamembo organizing team no omo abaso so omo ye bibi fefefa etesa now yembre fie na yemedi yen ya award no ho nkomo Media House of the Year me say anope ma jefansa Media House of the Year. First of all me pese ye sha say free yesterday me kan yesterday and say yen hwe yechi enti no enam say obrapa concert party yen nkofo bia omo ni Coastal TV atsena ache ye enti no mama into sa question we emmo Mr. Spio mama start say emisha say enview ho oni Coastal TV to anamo ache kakra say no mo say ye Media House of the Year. First of all who ni say award now omode amaya no who ni say yesefata say o say eje me ankasa me who say yesefata but mama mbisa o yesefata say o say eje ana ai
ya mati efu nyina achi ozi kana maka bibin ma ya basran de ye pina o friend Mr. Yamia wenyen baby ko ya me still I me fa na currency abibia ya baken wonyi pa aye odam ozeja hen ma me da me bi say no kwesa me de Coastal bobo azi wa chere papa
yeah
so me popo manyo nkasa mama kan de oni television station a ozi kana oba igamanim ha mpo igude yakese yenya bia otedam bio ye wenyu sumde bi to berin bia afoforo baba abaka ho
sir
ma bibiala akonanyim eno kwasa me de award izi ntwade ye
sir
ameze oyemede mum ye wono ye hende ya ntse de bibi dam rekodo ma yentum yamba na nche ye made spray kakra na nkofo ehu ndepa sabi owo hen so hen mu nti sa mama ka se enye tentena ana me de so nti mama kan de ofata
Yafata.
na so enye so de iguaman waji Coastal TV atum no to wabon abada atida hen besi
Aha na wo do besi me wo another question ma but answer na ma mi bisa amu esin so no so enka near na adwen share no award Ostabere ma obomode de ama Coastal TV wo dwen ho sen ye sefata na
mami
that's
Ozikan concert party fix na on YouTube obrapa and there so
sa
papa yam pe fu wo jema obrapa and yan shi jema
so mubi no
mizin kan fa asda kasin ma papa wa fa no paste today me atun safa ko pan fa ni crazy
amen
anama ko ni ma Coastal ma ben so Coastal mozimba Coastal ko no yo I want no what mo na quoting what mo na
inyo
quoting
ono so
this is more than
Jody nya bibiri wa
because Jumeza is in Ghana even Titi Central region graduate and
sir
yeah because say if you got them as then by now ke wa man by 5 and book kit
emo
you deserve the more than that asaba masi de wo hu yemos no na wotu ma ya ba na mi hye no ma na kotete
nyamisha no na on ne nkwatente ampa sanse so otena ho cha like 100 years 200 years crying yehwe me sure say ebinya award bibre cry ese say cry say mpanyim for kan cause yes ta bibre anya ba ko so mama e be 5 na me ba me de 6 say na ye display no anope but we ya no ye niso ankasa yebeda Ostabere man ni mpanyim for ase na mami sambra Mr. Spio ehobio me pese mi bisa se wo hwe Coastal TV se na esi ehwe ase ebesi enne this year 26 January 2026 ya uhu ye ni sen ye our growth uhu ni sen ye koyenim anaso se ye achichide nante anaso speed wo uhu ye ni sen
Aba hima. And question me de enyimzi Yakobi papa.
Okay.
Ana me de bira wa basino kwa ne ya waso won ho. Yankopa na daroma. Kakakra na dam adan kakraken okukuri su ho.
Sir.
Nde da ma bring your camera e korpe. Na ne yedi edwuma mic na la krotin. Nso nde hwa wa bebre. Ya bebre. Nti ye kede otde nkano na na no yenyi Yankopa ne ndini.
Okay.
Yami ohine ndini papa. Ye gudo. Numum mumfa adama kwanye du na mumfa yi ntwerum.
Okay.
Igwe adeyen no kwasam na American. Oya na oya din kakra. Abadin tina Brahma SP America dam.
Okay.
Enkran adeye takwade adeye kumasa adeye. Se yedi toto ho a na ade hene ye wechiri kakra. Ade adwumezi bi eridi na adin nyimpa ne pe. Na nyimpa nso mpe de odi bibi boboa ma etuma akọ me kire de ehun de other stations here I show here television set TV. You had a sponsorship Guasidama Oboa ma edwuma biara otumpon. But the here hu ne dam. Wa bi po nya yetum twa no mpoko bi ho. The ombra kakra na lampo pen free well. Ombra na omaka na yen case na edwuma na mana kakra so mbra Coastal na yemfanzi dwuma. Obaja no ye fefefe padowia ye hu. Yengwan damadin oma nyama nkodo onu mum no watwe na chi for a long period of time onu zo wadwin bebre wa ha wadwin mami no kwa na American wa ha wadwin de won tasse nche wo beta sa mehen ho na ye weskafu bebre ha ye nyimizifu bebre ha ye kunyinifu bebre ha ade kura na biem bi pe no ya woso nyima bi na fanka kakra badodo na pada but empemfu ka so wonso we nyimpa nti e besere de se wotenyenka wombre na omoboa na oyi oguamane ele dema opanyina otenegum Ostabere ma wehu mbodin ba Coastal orboya wadze ade fefefe tsere mo odama heni na nche ne popo ma ayen wo ye kede ye nyon so na yenso ye go panyin na nyimtia nti be ma mbreda kakraba kan opanyin di ye nyon so ye de na se bebre mo ye na yakre Oliver Twist yes bi ba bi nsan mbre bi o na me de akutin so osoda be ta nche be ne huhu yi tumfe bi hwe ba do ka hwere me dama ahwe ofisu bofo mu pa na na wa ka bibi ho nti ye de yesom ne disiye ma be ya obi ne ho nkapwema wa ye nti mami say bi sama mama kan de mbozi akọ papa mum ami mum hu de yesin to kase oni aboafa oya obosun ye programs na asen me chere sponsorship no ono nya da lack wo aha na yenya ma omanya manshada onko for so good baby you do nkutin edi there isn't that me madazi
I'm we see of Somubi concert party. Mama into the same question and so and from my own Coastal TV yenyi ne say.
But that's the musical Munda Coastal Symphony. When the age man
Okay.
Coastal Symphony. Because to me about Coastal, I never really make if you and I'm that come up. Tata papa yake Coastal Jumeza nke yizi no nko osepata danka yakuni ni more than that na sabu amfantefo ibinum no eya azo ye fe banya na ndo jempe because yesha keep Coastal high na TV station kwatia sabi wa ojana na ndo on Coastal TV she abla market we ko be tuntazo yo kutoka market bibre enwa wotonton nyama sebi wo hyede man kofu nim na nka womra na yembo mu dawuru mama edumpa Christmas mpo ye perform mama me ka bebre bra eba ye bechem for 50-50 mpo ya hyeda anti bi wanka enti ebesere what bi hye baby na say obiala nti wanka awbra some once when kotin the wide water as wa awbra ye mani pa ba ana ni hia efi guamano for and central Ghana na wo na Coastal TV yin no quality when you papa because tap fe dey do haron and ender nyama asesa na say bibia so obokoyi no chede ibia odo wani mu no sedwa nimdi uketa no okonka ya maame wayazi na mention bebre ene mpanyefun kankra okaka hono so yankopon isha wan because yankopon am dom yansa ene ntumi nyaade mo ntumpa
David
ntine ya basre ahwazi na nyansa am mo na wa so ka hobi because no why friend I'm we start to be then daily bank we
that's
ya mention bebre ai
amen
ya mabana achemu
amen
Amen.
Before say kwacha de fa ni nyina sika ene ye de sika timi ya de nyina ye obi wo ha sebi o na nka first no wo hwe nanim mienu kra enye ye so onya sika pe obi wo say ndom nyina ejinjane ja asa ne superstar no sika de etimi ya de nyina ye nti baby Coastal TV ye yakwa nim nanso ye behia aboafo mmoa ni nyina wonso mani ni pasa na me papa kan no obia akeka ne nsase am ye sure say Coastal TV ye bekọ anim asen baby ye dwi empo mama v odi ne de edemu so the midi kan no oye new wele member of the family cry na me pese me bisa o before asa na obe join Coastal TV no baby ana wo wadwuma mu fie Edian na wote fa Coastal TV a ehye won kran se sabusua we se me bedoma ye
Susan on the Coastal TV oba kepesa acha
sa
yenyim no kepesa yenyim dada yemu bi yako but still Coastal TV o nti jumeza ho a ye dzino baby no azu ofia oyi
sa
nti experience kakra ye kanya wo baby na ya befie na eso yambra habi na hen experience kakra ye won mfa mboboa na Coastal TV baby a we dure no ontum enyin nkwa enyim
sa
nti ya ba da ye boboa yenyim Coastal TV dada but ye kwai ya aba nti kakra ye question o baby ya abade yazabogbo ma Coastal TV akwa enyim ni na ka ho na idzina owan asabe ma Coastal today be doctor jumedzi kasa odzina memende ababadzi kase odzima Coastal TV Sanda Coastal TV akonenyim
sir
akonenyim and it's the first TV in Cape Coast
sir
nti mfa na Central Region kra the first TV station nti jumedzi otsodam na wa mehen award osafata yenya oye na hohoa ansa na ye baba mpo kakra ye tum ya hu ya kaka ho ma waje award oye fe oye enyiso nti yakoda so ye boye papa oye osaba me Coastal today bi na abado de we hu modson ba Coastal TV wo bo na wa bo ho na abado de me ye kan ye sen kwatentem ye papa
sir
nana osaba me Coastal today bi yankopon ara mbo no ho ba no ma no kwatentem na award na si a wo be ye ne be san enya bio exactly because me know afibia this is the 6th edition
sir
and maybe the next year no still I yeboko enyim na wa friend ma yakaje award nbi nti Coastal TV ze or is ayenyim no fritete nti yakọ so ya aboton
sir
nti na ochede ya be ye bana an experience kakra ye wono yazabogbo ma akodenyim
sir yes okoje degree ne masters ne keka ka ho doctorate ni na we breacher I was say okay feel because ukona uko pension wo ha obeba fi so uba na say nyema nkoyi a onso ho be kirew nti yes ye de na nkofo fi baby ebehwa eye ni na eye okay yet wa enkomobo no so no mama ko mpanyfo mienu enchen Mr. Spio of Obrapa Concert Party and Amwesi of Somubi Concert Party, 2 different concert parties but yes ni nyina so efie ya Coastal TV de on odi ana odi ade o ni na efie ya na ekoso na measure say view Mr. Spio yes Mr. O share concert party jumede ya si na only Coastal TV ana yatina besi sampempenswe only say Coastal TV etimi aboa ma u group no concert party na moye no etumpon ana
ozikan masan mada mpemfa wazi waya agbazefa wazi dem wazi besi ho oya na make ya papa ya memfa ne krantie ya be ne yenyim hwe nala na ochechire hen acting ne baby cry na so yensem na ogurumi hen na kakakra wa atete en papa baby a wodze ne dun wa ma ye pui ona me de ehia na ye wo na wo friend me yakọ Onua TV e kai program ho say nya ha na ye wa sanche wo friend
go bi ho
nti ono kire de wa ma ye pui nti ha de anti na ye kwa na ye wo ha ona me de ona na my sister pain ke na wasi ade wo fia oyi nti ye wo ha de ye buwa wo bo hene nso ye buwa na mum say oya bi mo fon wo fan de concert na yen are the asrosem bi na yere
asrosem so yin na
hia ya pede what asde bibi ye bia kan yimpa de sin na abrabo
sa
mosi we fiefi na demonstrate to higher the kire won the demiba ye ne dey ndi an obobo mama won fan de bia wo hwe concert agigi wanyu akake bado ye won hwe adza yere yen sa senti kware yere yedam na won fa aba omun wo de bobra oboboa ona me de ye nyim de obi ekitase kan na zero kwa habema wasi hie bia ntum fese kan ni ntwan do kitase kan ze bade ntum fo ntwan ebetia na apano no so apon dam na Ghana mra na chia na mboa ekobuen ni kroma se itu hie no kutukum wazroko onfonto o yitru so o chia wa apon ho koni baby unless of course the attack no of self defense bia no be use na abadi ntina ndem mre yerkan obi tumwa obi ni fie kwatwe sekan ana kwatwe ka jena nyama wona onkan ya ko cha ho but ya ka pekpek nyeme bia wa ba for from or say him of rama ni nyina no ho demonstration ye no ha ya the chire binum megis dey binum fa
Yes.
Binom fa. Nti ye bokodo.
Yes.
Ye ho ye bokodo nti se bisam de abam fa so ne nye fima. Ono ze bebre. Madam bebre ma muntum kan ni nyina. Bebre ba showcase na wadam hen cramp enough. The one man the whole Ghana wetum what yanka wana wase wakati yanka so Accra.
Sir.
Nye nanko you call National Theatre so. Some years back, you call you could win award to cry as a baby.
Oh, nice.
Then you Costa TV.
Oh.
You want to why be?
Yes.
Why been saying no me you ha. What we be piano kakra. You are being me actually the budun.
Yes.
But the empire by the Yankopon on share here madam, them me zen. Na baby sikibia or she be on bubu kwanaman. Na prof Banfo Aji odzimu han. Yame oman ahwazen. Yame man nyansa so kona hand in hand, when you won't come home, no one peer cost among costs. Now, you're sure they are Yankopon Nepia. Yeah, let's see about this time, and they ask now, because we be our account. Maybe I work for Sabakan.
Sir.
I hear the man of this.
When you see more, you did job, but so we say Simu pa dia, you be dear job. It's Amwesi, Mr. Spear, what kind of day? Also, who is saying, so movie concert party, Costa TV at me and Buama, Monini, and now say it's the same.
That's it. Questions now. Ni nani mo da papa. We chere wo djuma yeso yi.
Me da say.
Nti we da ma kuma so man kase mo bo wa ba do. Me da say. Motin there I mean the day I do ha. That day we do ha dey nana. Daddy. Na me feel crazy. Only meeting. No a case be che. Here penny na here you go in a day. The makers are kind of sir. It's in them. By the time I'm baptized, and I'm papa, what's in the Costa TV for that the piece to the Friday. And I'm not there, as director or church, but only one of my man be taken over. I don't share name. Now, move do it, man, oils and papa. Now, daddy didn't send your care audition in Ukraine, as in tea. Mama, you and Nando. One me home for Suda Costa TV. By True Costa TV, you want him to do areas are where your programs are, what transfer a program was it. Me in charge when the Batman came out them to come with Mamma Costa TV. Yes, and now you will quapo day, Seliki Nabadechi. What are the stone point Jimiska? Or in the name of Ejumaya into the main for Sube Brew. Many of us be pray. And I'm Costa TV intima. Nana questions today, Basso Papa, and why I'm also. Went to Mancarina. Intima said, as if you're in the area, Jimmy, now that should be editing for so. Into the time, Madame Bompire, number Sam was Namazama, Mommy, and now paying for what can one day uncle morning and the Yansa, and I was now, but they push Costa TV more. We did the bad this year by this time, and now. Ya cracket coasters and a new pity. Ya come yellow bank of Butu, Punkma Boshman, in Nabby Costa TV. And so, Mamma Carla, Mobile Costa TV Babo. That's Mobile Babo. Yeah, I would yell a sudden list here more you two. Oh, yes, a corner to you, been to a corner by the Maradi, you made it where a babu will go. Oh, there, you want to doctor. Henazi na asabara ma yabesa ne and they stand wide true that's it have so
ya do ne adofo award no command eguso a yedi no Coastal TV Media House of the Year. Every 1 minute to be a Mekayo. Every 1 minute to be a Mekayo. Yes, Osaberima Royal Awards. Enye Media House enkwa energy awards no ye wo impayfo mo de nyuma no because omoma honorary awards eno no impayfo bi o mai da dwuma bi edi o mai di dwuma sonko bi ewo region nim aboama region no edin akọ echire ene captain so ya akọ echire sankofo ni nyina Osaberima bomodin Momo awards award the mawa na che say ye ni aso wadwuma enti koso anaye asa me da se bi mrebiem eno ne awards e call area of entertainment and fashion so nkofo binom so enya award or Media House Coastal TV Media House of the Year yenya banking and finance business nti no idea no hwa na region nim but say business no obetu ho anamo because me sure say otu ho anamo na ekwa enim a next time onso benya award ebi media house of the year but benya in the area of education disuamu apomuden health and also so numekuo ne nipa bi o ma di dwuma sonko bi o Cape Coast no yema omo awards senior high schools a o me dwuma sonko a the region no anase Cape Coast din akwa echire no so award ekọ emma omo yekọ religion nyamesum me kwa Christos debi nyamesum mesum nso no asori ne nyame nipa bi o maya de papa bi true asori no anasa true nyamesum no o maye ade papa bi ama Cape Coast no wo ye be sure bank yekọ okay
Share Osabe Moyin painful ye no. It's the American. And the awards now woman no. Wama institutions be a wobeye one programs who Cape Coast award.
Yes.
The pharmacy for bay national level be hosting one program who Cape Coast. And Ghana Bar Association once will be hosting one program who Cape Coast. In some coffin pay Juma Hua what ba Cape Coast o ma Cape Coast no so nanyim obenyam Cape Coast zinu okwechu ana National Science and Maths Quiz on so 2025 editions no Cape Coast no hosti aha inti da man kofo ni na wo be no wo boy ma Cape Coast zinu okwechu inti ni na aka ho ana hen na Osaba Makwesiata o the awards no Other madam painful. In so yeah, as oya craboshe.
Of course.
Oya as oya craboshe papa. And a media house of the year, of course. It came to Coastal TV.
Yes.
And see oya za no other film. Oya jumeza no ya home kan oya fe papa. Oya fe papa. And see e goda ya bohena na Osaba Makwesiata na about. Na yesem kwatenson so. Yazuma. Ama afi sha ya sha si onta afi no kwa wi. Na Coastal TV akobio ya kajibiaba
sa dada yenya ni se ya yepe yenya ni se ya yepe pa e bi me da se yemre no eya ebre ya ba sorry so aro no but me pese me bisa amoesi na Mr. Spio se ne modi kan no sponsorship and access obi ba so asen no eya na bibia wo ho ensheda mbasa na emom no so no Sisi ayenya award the media house of the year ya dey G fans ya me sure say sponsors no on bet say na dey no say obi pese obe sponsor mo programs. I'm talking about concert party in specific in particular. So we pese on sponsor mo programs na. I'm sure say for Mr. Spio assemble na be kan che nipa kro no assemble na pese on kan che nipa kro na enche ni kra na on sponsor mo.
That's it. And of course, young and the man chepe. Most can ever kind of you can hear down us. You did the Obaba.
Sir,
the kind of ye program as a man no mess no go television. Until ye program, but no mess no go. You more afraid a namana. Nkitenzi papa bia ohobia. Yeni bedimum shon a co-era was today or you obohun whom won't to mumban. One more arguing to baby. Now on the one bra. Sabu, I say, at the Afana Madafa, Obia and Fantoni Yankodo. The young children, Finchim day, RGB, because if you are Obama Brumegura, but Cribia Hinya Busuma, Obiana Martin even. The Babon Madame Akodo. Ama, Edman Bruna be our Edman Costron, and Sasanankasa was in a home baba. Nti wo susu da wo ba ye ba susu bibia da so ho nti na se wo mba ye ntum ba de yanso ya adwende mami aka wose kakra bia o de bibia ye bo sum na ya hwe na se o de ye bo ho dwuma bia wo di bia no dewura ya yanda ma bibia la koyi am ama na fa nya ya wato ti ye sere da wo mbra wo ba o de fum boko o de fum kra nti wo mbra na wo ba obia na akoma botoni ye
mami fa microphone ma amoesi so obi person best sponsor somubi mo concert party ya assemble na obe kan chere no
but that's it mama ke hina de mama mpoko no onsuro to dem papa hurricane mama mpoko no me de tuna dun de ya bo mu de wo Coastal TV ni ya mo other platforms or social media because TikTok na that Facebook na YouTube na zina oye juma ni na niza apati hon kankra entino yerebo mu de wo ha no ni ye de ko na ye bonus pocho sata mo chana sa e di me wa na nkasa yerebo mu de wo ha de no ni de other platforms na ye bonus free you no free
get more than 3 free
pocho sata be kana sa e mo na de baba ku de kuma na be fo entimo so bo mo na bra ya sam kanyeza sai no kasa maka chona hu ha bia na ne kama bia so na kuma me ya mo so ma fon kwatin entime so de bo mo na bra na bebi akwaje once day ihe ba ye be chem tare na ya jo kope na titi aso on chale ye bu Easter na the Mother's Day awufu ina wo mra adwumu de na mo kwatin za na twana za fabra bia na mpo magye ko na me tue na abon de wuru free amo eba nkomozin de on so da na watwe momi na sama kanyazam na ya manager so sama kanyada kanyazam momo na bra no ina wa ya ba tanti da hwara sabi uluntum the way we pay igwen kanko na central region kanko no uluntum nkade wolbe ya de chinchin ya awa dwezin so sabi wa ele bana bobo wa mu de wonu ya be se wedwuma ya be mu wedwuma na yeden wa kosoro na da hachi bi and then baby akere o Coastal TV kwa yeden so mfin demne ya hwehwe ya hwehwe me igwen wa yeden wa yemlo na abrabona easy so be ni iza o ye yinso no fi himfa Coastal TV bu so won fi kakra no so yemfi ando ma abrabona yere bon wide wa akoni ni nti meso bi bia o ti dwa de mama onsu ontutu an mo no mbra Coastal TV se fa de yanko sempo je bon nanda anade dara e busy nti hanan be no ye wotena awdi TV tangere TV da hwan class number no friend ya yi twa no ya ba ni no busy nkomo de osebia no no baka pepe medasi akana
menso medasi mama V ma membra wo se ababe family member no family queen mother no mama mbisa sometimes ona ye nam kroma obete oye djuma wo Coastal TV na Coastal TV da so ho a chese da be na mobile multi ensam no doso Coastal TV so maka ye osabe mama ya wodo media house of the year ye ndi agro enti mama bi mi bisa me pese mi hu se obiti baby na adwen ne se Coastal TV ya tutu ye office ma akoda asembe na be kan hye nipa kro no
Susan madase there by Thursday or Friday. When did you come to Pedu?
That last 2 weeks Friday.
Yeah. So people saw me with you. Do not move bisa. I'm so Coastal TV. Oh, hopper. Coastal TV. Oh, hopper. Free to air, but to them, nah, better more so you can. All the other platforms and also. Ebo Coastal TV.
Sir.
You stream live, Facebook. It's na akwa ebenya. It's Coastal TV. Wo hopa.
Yes.
Nti there you catch ahwefo nyina there. Coastal TV. Oh. Nti obiara opedo obo na adwumedi bi ho dawuro no. Oba ye be yaman. Ni mu fan bi nso ye betum ya ba wona ado. Na yenyo abakasa. Ye the camera simple baba. Nti I've been telling people just that I came just now. I've been telling people that epede yebo wonzama hu dawuro mama. Efrahena ye baba. There's a camera na baba na wara because it's your own voice, your own face. Nti epede wara ebem na eka wasam na edomi nyinare hu de oh sana osumesi azo otoni numu ye o na ye hu ya. Nti ma aka chenko fo bebre. The Coastal TV oh. Am de dwumezi anda ye di yenyima mi yaji award no na you try picture na azu no me post bebre me post bebre ameme a lot of people following me nsi me ya daman nkofo bebre hu my view na Coastal TV or the one some of the comments Facebook WhatsApp status everything into Coastal TV ze yaba yo hopa yanko baby igwai ni TV a odzikan ogwama ni TV a odzikan nsi yanyim ni fretete 15 man to Central Region nara yɛnyim ne free tete
Sir.
aha nti Coastal TV will still exist nti obiara opeda otonazi biara ombra na dwumedzi ahoro orokodon wetum wasohene mfe man so yetum ya ma yezaboa ma oguaman nkan konso akodo. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you very much, Mama V. And no one can asam na no can we no. Coastal TV, yeda so ye ho yete ase ye gina ye nan so ankasa ye say you know aboba ye dan nsuo mu no nya de nsuo no betimi apia na koda bi. Yeda so a ye wo ho nti bomoden say wo digital channel no so ye 514. Say ukita smartphone ibi so a uko Facebook, uko YouTube, ubenya ye wo ho. Facebook ni YouTube mpo de eno afebo ntino say timi antina o TV no wanhwe a ubetimi ahwe ewo wo phone so sa ena asem no etie yabeka Osaberima Royal Awards ne ho asem yenso ye dia ye nya ye Media House of the Year and also so yaka ho asem Maminda National Petroleum Authority Fuasi na me sanso fast that my diesel gift shop omo no maso yasin anope ye dwumedi aye sha ase from Central Focus basis say ya ye ba betwas ye nwie mpa ye ba betwas omo no so yasin aye timide dwumedi nyina de abrel ene ahoho ana me no omo ofia ase say aye ba besori so ne Mama V newly member of the family and Mr. Spill of Obra Concert Party and Amwesi of Somubi Concert Party. Mother wants to say when you brenna when you atwitwe enkomo na watie ana wahwe yendwumedie so midin e de afiba esien otisi efrem Susan Emane hawo eno so kamidin ho ba mental news ye bekra mo na yenkwae Coastal TV da so aye woni mapapa bebre e de mount no mo afidie no nkoso a enda Coastal TV mo ma ba
Now, offer for Faba. No time in tea. You could do, but on Trivia, the orchestra. Yabasana after one view. And you know, wherever you are, this is the Osaberma Royal Awards 6th edition live from the Ogwa Emintimaza Palace. And absolutely, it's time for us to begin with the first batch of awards, which is the honorary awards. Ebe day say ebeje wo award na bomozen na afosir na ekechi na nanom na etwa womfo nyina sana asana betina ho ti ebe ndem wa efio na say ebe sha sa ye sha say won ye nyina yen mame ogwa kronti hima osanso ye efutu ba hima na na me ya ba ozikan na yedase Yabasha say, nah, I believe my team is ready. We'll begin with a man who is the longest serving assembly member and presiding member of the Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly. I just want everybody to know that every award has been scrutinized. A team that works in conjunction with the Ogwa Traditional Council. A time was allowed. It was listed, and now there has been today. So congratulations in advance to everyone. First on the list, like I said, is the longest serving assembly member and also presiding member of the Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly with a distinguished 3-term tenure. With a round of applause, let's welcome Honorable Nana Kweku Jr., Assembly Member for the Skafuambantam Anthem electoral area and a former presiding member. Actually, he was my assembly member, Nana Oku. Good to see you. Oh, let's show some love. This is a lot of hard work. This is a lot of hard work. So after the paparazzi, Nana humbly go and take, go and greet Osaberma. The man is 86 years. Let's prepare for the second one, still presented by Nana Meyaba. She is the founder of Daniel Into Obisi Foundation, DNFO. She's been supporting the youth of Nkamfua and surrounding communities with essential life skills, including computer literacy. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to mention the first woman recipient for the day, Mrs. Elizabeth Obisi. Congratulations for the hard work. Congratulations to Mrs. Elizabeth Obisi, founder of Daniel Into Obisi Foundation. I believe there should be a story behind the Daniel Into Foundation. That will be another story for another day. But obviously, it is time to say congratulations to you and well done. Right, so then, and it goes to Coastal TV. Coastal TV.
They are still in
existence.
existence.
Oh, Mrs. Nyame is here.
They are still in existence.
You know, she's refusing to grow, so I didn't even see her. Congratulations to the team. Yes, they said you should go and advertise with them. What's your own face, your own, is it your own world? Your own face, your own voice. Yes. And the world of endless possibilities. So please remember Coastal TV.
Next to the Media House of the Year. Mr. Juba.
Well, we are live on their screens this morning, and it goes to Coastal TV. Coastal TV.
They are still in
Oh,
existence.
Mrs. Nyame is here.
They are still in existence.
You know, she's refusing to grow, so I didn't even see her. Congratulations to the team. Yes, they said you should go and advertise with them. What's your own face, your own, is it your own world? Your own face, your own voice. Yes. And the world of endless possibilities. So please remember Coastal TV.
Inyo Sunday fancy for inyo award na na eguso aye display no etiri ma ye de ye see ye hu jai kra timu say osabere ma wa hye nimonyam ankasa media house of the year na fomo enye obia na timi nya bi nti Coastal TV yenya bi die ye beka ho asem ye de betu ye ho ase ye na mana ya mema ye beti so David media house of the year osabere manya misha wa ankasa na say me bidin kan me ka cho say memfo fidie no kwa bia sanse Coastal TV no ye woni ma papa bebre e de maw award no ho nkomo no say na medin kan no enye nne ye betwa na say ye beja ama na ka da bi ye guso aye kasasa na emre no me ne empeinfo akuku da miensa bi we know as when I grow up I want to be like them. Miensa bi e wo fia say ameba be yi o ma kire o so e wo nsem bi o mpese o moka e fa award yi ho e de kireye na meba be bi so mo nti bomodin ase obenya abokire na wo hwe section ni nyina na edi kan me ne owura yere Mrs. Nyomi e wo fia se muhu na cheme ya we mafe no ai odaso wa hase ya ene me no eba be di enkomo miwia me ne Reverend Esther Dennis mamisho di ni na mankoye mistake answer Reverend HB no ejina ho ma bibi obechirechim Esther Dennis ono so Coastal TV ebusia no oka ho ye ne na ene ye adwuma e wo fie ha sei na mwie so a me ne Mrs. Caroline Crampa edin anya so onankasa bebo na ade mempa asem onankasa bebo na ade me ne empeinfo miensen na ewo fia sei me maame no mpacho me mamu nyina akwaba eba Coastal TV efia sei the way I'm no I'm inspired.
Thank you.
Okay, it's no yes if you are baby ano e de amaye Mrs. Nyomi osabere ma Coastal TV edwuma ayeye no asoneni nti no waboy abaso ase e media house of the year e de asem na wo ka fa ho
Medas papa
Miss Medas
Aquinja examine na Messi hana mechia washofo ina
obi ajo so
na ma otoda makende yedi radasi wo pempendra onye ne bodui oyanyame na waye na mada osabere ma Dr. Kwesiata otodo ebien mada na se papa ko sande nyobia na oyedam Coastal TV ti da meka no wo ase acha na sasasinra wa appreciate no wa ji Coastal TV atuma na oye nyame na adom na epede yeda na se papa pada we hu dwuma kakra bia yezi bia we hu na wa abonya ba dot dam nyina na nkotina na no nyina waka no hon yeda hon ase na yeda ashofo ina ase na meko background kakra meka ho asam kakra shase 2007 already started test transmission test transmission for about 2 years na trend yen certification fi NCA uti be 2 years and sana no so but officially no na waje Coastal TV oye honorable Amabenyuado na obubui ano 2009 I think nti obepa hundam de obepa hundam de Coastal TV abobati na seka de Coastal TV abobata since bi oho but nti na yewo Coastal TV wo Guame mu ha sabe nye guama mkotin na yesumo hwan na the founder na ya memfa na krensie oye mo ho kafo Selector Nyomi na ono ompe aza onye original nti tambia na or the original ideas we bana nti na or internet cafe na or agro all those things nti ono kado or they use TV na ye serve as catalyst for the development in the central region. Nam say, hey, profit o ya kesi o. On the church kakra na yenta se. Enti no say enwa central region ye central in everything, educational, tourism naza. But to feel this a package the madina na wo TV. Let's say project the me Obama central region akonenyim tam o. Ya some people let's do it. And so when nkofo kakra bi no you want share the idea. Do na waka de hey TV me say me kokwa cry. Na the mad idea is your fine mum na nya gwai. Igwa ze onye adwuma nti konkra. So so de oh obeye adwuma. Obeye adwuma pa wo gwai. The one of Costa TV obobati. And so whilst others were saying no, it wouldn't work. He saw the vision, he carried the vision and saw that it is possible. The main objective in there, you be use TV. Na ye that project me ye wo central region kan wo gwe ha. Ye hu nde ne gwe ha ye wo nyame bebre a we don't even boast. We don't celebrate the things we have. Oh gwe di adwuma nyi ho. Oh gwe di dey yo. De bibia moborwa. Ne mom kakra ye won. Na se ye madra. Na nkofo bo hu ye no baten kan ye. Talk about tourism. Talk even the culture of the people in Ghana. Ehwe aha ye dempa. Talk about festivals. So what you fit to afesha enwe doma woba. Enti ye wo bibi. Ma over there you want ye de razas wo ho. Ye project ne madu ye mikase. But when all the other things will fall in place. That is the main essence. Even the oil dama it will serve to them Selector Ken as a catalyst. The TV station, TV, kofumu pictures na azwo made area. Obabwa ma film mantle and for that matter one of benyana wash he na enum punti sam akwaneyum ono Makosta TV what's bobati and
Omina okay
what's bobati your office ka creepy be rent po yeah test transmissions on no ya ha one room yeah test transmission na NCA was a certification open ye letter no pen celebrity na ye current obi ni fie wo Fort Register ho na ye ka share hwa na zi ye adwuma efi na yanka say ye no offices kakraba ye see fine na ye be hye ho ye kodra na ye adwuma na he no office na asam kasi bitu hen ija tom nyon office no oso ya ye nya azukumpo mfim de ye kofa camera where light off into light na ba on no na oba power no oba kasina na yetin na hu the studio nso nzama oil combustible mo kan na owo ho papa nso oso ja no na obi antom nkwaje nim sand oso prekope bibia so your ka bible mi antom de be kire bible na ode studio ho pe na wan so the fringes ni na Bible itself, the word and ejana can ono pet no can and see yabayan as a chin we prayed. People thought, oh well, Costa TV was bobadi wa unkodo wa show na say but as a channel na yankopona me him baby for or your baller do or can't to do same can't to do go ya you run and no go or rubbish dump. What's rug a ho no kokodo na ye base station ho na ye analog as at that time nti ye can to do ne ko so adwuma no do ho nti abra adam networks me pede mo TV station bi do but there was a particular TV station on the autonomous Costa TV they are show mo can put kan do when you time ye ba back and that is the rivalry we have in the media space when you're healthy there are some out wunya ebe kwana akobona na da ka kagina efim no dey bi obeka wa hwem mo eko baby na se reka bibi se media na another media won film mumpo won cast make because I'm another media house. It's a rivalry our media space now. We really have to handle it with a lot of tact and wisdom. There yen ye wo ye transmit na dem station no ni news okay the Coastal TV a show kra wa show dwe na ze ya we were on air. It is that people started calling the app, but Coastal, you want to say, you should demonstration was on my show, Nazi. Yan bankers, what bay, will be sharing. What bay, nowhere on air. It won't put the way surprise. A show now. Yeah, baby, Chewonia. It's the man check the monk as a check him, bra. See, oh boy, papa, and Missy had a bitch and bank. Near a crew particularly Zenith Bank. Enyo, Yahoo Shuyana Yen, Edano also and Wobe or Boyhead, and others, the late Mob Otto and Yumi Christian McCain, popular Nasia with him. Koda of Fane Akadofina Bay, Obey a musical concert. In the ashes, we lifted the name of God up. They are mission no head office for. And see if you can't do you can rent another place. And son, Irazre, Madame Denny days for no hini budu. Into Bineza, Kakra, a honey budu.
Hannah, you bedroom, part of Coastal TV. If you had she and a baby Judy, and young coupon qua any bits me aye. So, young coupon the way are. It's here for Nyashafo, Moncana Yentie, and the Yankopan say we are the Coastal TV about Beju. Now, Mammy Missa, in paying for our monster so eka, young mammy who ewo if I say, Nedi kind, Master Tefri, Reverend, so, only a dijumaka cra, a BBC Sam Pensway. So, your casa can be for Coastal TV, one at assembling power now, Becca.
That was a quench, I say. Ama man pay. You betche yen safe when
Biajo so.
You don't wanna see bebre. Da mama make wo hene social be wo hene asehwum ni hene so na wo yen age na nyame nhira won bebre. Say abaka from fiti za mama make ye hu nyame na abasa oka Coastal TV ho.
Sa.
Ono ye nkranhya ye zama hene etiefo so. Mami kada ye hwiase na nsanda nyame na abasaka ye no dunti yetumi ye sorry da nyame na onye ne hwiase ye hwiase oka ye no ho oma ye no do ye wenyi dado inya yetna bebi yetse ye hwechirisen za ye huni ye huda Coastal TV ruko echi nti ye bokodo ya aka kire ne tiefu de Mama wana bomu mbu osanda program bebre na nhye bebre wo ho a yerbada nezi akira hon sanda nyame ama ye hu echi da Coastal TV yeruko echi ye start wo Cape Coast ye Cape Coast nkuti na ye gina erika sa ne pe aka de woko Facebook woko YouTube ye wo home nti yeruko henanyim ye boko do nzama papa bebre na ye wo ne nhihye ma ye bobo edu akira hon wone mbrepum usanda nyame na ye zine chiri no oye na azi wone mbrem
sa me pay for introduce one me introduce me pa bibi kakra ka ho se o ka Coastal TV hona what bobo aza founder no nyame atonsa friend na me co-founder ne mo nya otom nse ni fa na mensa be nkumi I'm accountable to them and they ka board of advisors one what say Coastal e cheaper na wo pia Coastal na enya ho na ebie ni nkote bi ni ka wo it's important they are my board of advisors members of the board
and one what can you okay na mommy aka ne sa so na mami friend Madam Caroline Did you know ona kasa bebo na ade achi for me person enti Madam Caroline ye din kan yes your bolding share
all right Mrs. Caroline Kwampa. Yes.
Me mate Kwampa me nim Kwampa. Okay. Mrs. Caroline Kwampa. Okay, I know. Into no baby Adri me person also ka bibi kakra e che etefo ni ahwefo unim Coastal TV say ye den first of all media house but again na obetimi aka afa Coastal TV ho
Okay, thank you so much. Me just the Coastal TV or here in Enyim, me here saying nti dem ba mama ken we are catalyst to the nation or to people of Central Region. Nti on the ozi djuma bebre a ye ban education, ye ban health, ye ban nyame na asem, ye ban asem bebre say Coastal TV na nkas and one program lined out for the week. One kasa busy das day. Ampa we are committed to the development of the society. First to Cape Coast, then to to the utmost parts of the world. Until one day we start a chassis or yemfie and son is a copado. Until one day one or serve as a juma monkofu baby. Two also turn as a business, a pedo business or queen, majis day. A quan the hobby bremo. Nanya menasam as far as a year pretty queen, you know. Minimania menasam so program when I used to host a program here some 23. Then Sunday you will be okay. Now it was just a very powerful moment, and other programs are all good or record. Until when they Coastal TV, you know, it's not just mere for entertainment. Baby, what was a shema. If you have follow-ups in niche be but all the time ye kasa and we show the more I am for opportunity to speak, then we get to know one problems, solutions to whatever they are to the problems, ideas, and we even also learn from them what they expect from us more. Intimidate is there, Coastal TV, no. Or nyame ankasa na we see nyame ankasa na wajatum na yehunde sisi all Jemba Reverend Kenam Facebook, YouTube, and many others until the Coastal TV or vision kesina ankasa nti demba nyame oye naze oye nkakra onye scam onye oye boom no it's one thing at a time. That's how we are taking it into the entire vision with time. Okay. Now, some question we anka was mimbisa mommy nankasa Mrs. Nyomi, but if you are not to feel like say oh one nani the entina or can ye intino my mensha same free Mrs. Caroline Kwampa echo na send a Coastal TV serve as a catalyst for development first of all for Cape Coast and Central Region and Ghana as a whole no. Baby Hedri and 26 January 2026 from 2007 ABC and Nano. Uhuni say Coastal TV ye vision ye disi ye nisuno ye tumia ye ana. Definitely because say you count back even before the actual recognition we had 2 years of experimental until the 2 years experience yenye we na omen abozin there we can now fully operate. From now until now, we can able to abubo so many successes when Yankopon Nadum and yet easy. And like I said, it's a vision that vision can take 50 years, can take 1,000 years. Yankopon Nankazo them by hinzitin of nipako to the other. Inti on be a mommy or hunter, but then we can say that send yet. The white and now we are seeing Coastal so many ups and downs, but then we are still existing. Yes. And we say to the glory of the Lord that Nyanya wasn't Nyanya Sika or Nyanya, but Yankopon and Nankasa or come Mr. Nyomi, Yamin Fanny Crancy, Nakumade, Omboy Bibi or Tidam, which is there, Pina or Kodra, Pina, voice to the voiceless, so many things, or Kodra. Which is the people are being delivered. Ukofre nyawana fahozi from Bibia walk community. Jumezene di egudu yen do to the end. It's a process. Inti ebeduo. Sabi pepe. Minimum Coastal TV. There were a whole lot of success stories and achievements. But once I am running so inti me person me bisa Mrs. Nyomi. Obo 1, 2, 3 pe like. Yes, achievements near success story. On the boss to man in shame we impo. Obo near mommy and son pe Coastal TV. You with me there and say see you say yeah and na yeah. Na one kasa ubedi ho dance.
trade you so. You know, humility. So
if I should really go back somewhere past television, but when we were watching domestic TV, DSTV, and then we decided to pass the wire to our neighbors. Neighbors in those days, now dish no say, and then they were sharing. We wanted to share what we were enjoying with others, and that is where we got the idea that TV, it would work. And that's where it originally came from, and then more from anon so corona so up an ICT or Nani University or dog. What's your dollars? None of bones was so a cranty catch and ever each other a catcher and time the hair and a pedeco because as a sanaj also the one or boca chassis. Then so counted the madza, many pay near catching on the man 1 year near from Boboy because on the Sicano Bumuka crack. No, see you. It's 1 year no the sniff, all or setting up station. No, that's
beautiful.
Or plan BBI MCR equipment in the bell not testing as it was so much his area. And you see that is the other testimony. It's second day achievement. Since it's something else. Now, I think that it's also because he bought into the vision of the papa there. Them obepede eradzibe shredo na we use as a catalyst for the development of the central region and beyond. Says ya call na use analog. It's for a long time na nkofu nyahen. Nyamenadum we are digital. That is number one. And I would want to celebrate that. And to say we are all over central region and even beyond. I want to share what this is now. We are on YouTube, we are on Facebook. Now I even want to believe that nationwide, then we digital, you are nationwide already. But we are capping because we started as a regional station. Very soon they will move the cap. And then we are all over the place already. And so for now, that's a big achievement. And to this, I would want to celebrate my staff. Honestly, this award, I would want to dedicate it to my staff. I want to work for Coastal. When you have you so many years, one sacrifice. No one will have said, Sian, Memohona Yuko, Memohon Boni Juma. One sacrifice it had paid off. On that note, then I would say that Coastal TV, one employment. That is the other achievement. One employment, from Woko. And this is just the beginning. I want to believe that with this, we would be able to expand. When we talk about central region, the organizations baby the UNICEF, Star Ghana and others. And to say Echo Baby Echo Costa wooden war a Jumaye Equas Casibima. What actually the TV station there? Yes, I wonder. Yeah, sure. Because when it comes to community engagement, you will hop up for the grassroots. And so that is another achievement there. When other people want studios, TV, we go down to the people. We take TV to the doorstep of the people. That is why we have this slogan: your own face, your own voice. One can say, once we have a TV, no can't dry, but now back can then the endless possibilities with Shema, and we don't go for the onye wahano. Then the visionalist in power, or your founder, no, Selector Kade. This one is a world of endless possibilities. Only the limit Yankupon won't limit in them. Why brought that to our command? It's endless. There's everything, anything a per day, the Razi Obutumna. That is the meaning of the endless. And to say, but especially community engagement, not be really achieved. But that one, I'll humbly tell our viewers that this is just the beginning. There's another program I start with the community engagement. The pediatric one day. Get ready, especially I start to Cape Coast. Europe wa papa panyaba. No one can say when you know no one can say so akawasa. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
I think I'll add something to Mommy's own. On the station, I might notice all this while there. You promote your language very well.
Yes.
Oh, station be ha. Say enter before. You can't be into Munkohobi. But here at Tidena Krapa we speak the local language. Into Aburo or Tideno, she is not left out. Which language is one major area we are promoting our culture, because without language we are lost.
Yes.
Until the coast we hold on to it. The language in Keden some 23. Hey, some may select one part. I don't was one bar. I don't know what I'm fancy. I say muda what in fancy. No, I top me serious. Fancy so I have some over then because we want to reach out to be interpreted a bit in Yamenas to one casual language in first. And son any other language I think it's a major achievement too.
You know, those days they were not sabe when akasa or monitor hen. It is so autumn put a big tree and now be with them and now no monitor. I think he still does. Over free. No, I can oh you will grab me.
One fancy.
No, project young culture papa in your station or the now come up on the papa and that will be a cousin be also for that. Over free no are doing attention. Hey, say what any hurricane. So that's what it was doing. But talking about languages, you know, young country directors, but now we are even going to expand. Sunday, you would or your cosmopolitan, and see we are bringing on board some other languages apart from Fanti.
Okay.
May I kind of want to introduce Dangbi and the staff they would tell you yes. The Dangbi, yes, the airway, yes, the Hausa, special programs for them in your so that one hour they will be comfortable. They will make a kosala.
At least the also come. It's good.
So we're going to do that.
Oh, Coastal TV, you're quite so young as I show Coastal TV.
Sister Wadrin.
Oh, Sister Wadrin, I show Coastal. Since the name of Pabi Bray and the cost because you are missing out on a lot, Ankasa. Every for man, jumping for you, crying, Amo or Marco. Now, answer, no. Don't call Reverend when I mean be the last question. And Sana, ya sorry so na yako. Reverend, what's me who say instead of na chesa Coastal TV yeni. Yeni ankasa ye ko yenim. Na Ubeka say when you look at yourself, how do you see yourself in 5 years time? So question besides so I dream now come say. First question. Osho Coastal TV baby akwa bedruya. Say ye nim na ye kono e bedrum pempenso bi ubetimi as keli esen ye ka say rate ye ne a ubetimi a rate ye esen che say ye nim na ye kono. How do you see Coastal TV in the nearest future?
Me hu da si bebre.
Okay.
No da Coastal TV n'enyima na oroko orensa nechi. When Yakasa, that mammy and Mrs. Kwampaka, mammy, employment, Mr. CC, I need part 5 no way age more. Mammy, CC or catch and there is a Casa Horba. And see as a Casa Horba, there by Shonko for Baba Casa, the Macas, or there employment for that in poor Bokonin, sir. And see Coastal TV for the next 5 years, any employment Bokosu. Bebrebenya ejuma wa ha mono. Mama Carol mentioned because of Casaninti, say we don't limit people's background. Say ye penyin, say ya bofraba, group be belonging. Ye bathroom. Into a better programmer, ye benya moframa program, ye benya youth program. So here there, the TV is Aisha, or ye penny funko tin one asam, or ye TV station, ye back cut across, ye all backgrounds. Ye better there, ye be make program be ye zamo. Into 5 years to come, Nezi. Wara babo, wara nebo boni dewu. And see when you dadu because of nya yanyine shas nyamina ezne shas baby was the fact that ikunenya TV station nya award ne chede yare ye bibia wa so nyamina nyimpa nyinara woneni nti ye benjina do ye njina ha omono ye bokokan na award no on ye ewie ye bokodo every year ye bokodo ye not only from Cape Coast all over because any programs ye be ye no oboko wiaza afana nyina kakra mo wa mo catch.
No, your programs are.
Oh, add a little to baby or end.
Okay. Oh yeah. Mrs. Compound, so kind of last word now.
You tell you. Also, but for day now. And come say this is a prophecy. Na Sunday who go start TV wo Ugame wo Central Region na French another one Ghana. I would want to say that on TVP over we are going international.
Yes.
No, ye young Casa people, ye pede, ye the action in your me penedam. Na me for them acquaint so maybe Mrs. Campus finished. I want to pay a special tribute to the founder.
Okay. Is there Mrs. Pampa or last comments now?
Mocho Bibi Kakra.
Okay.
That I want to read it so that will be a Betty. So
Nice.
permit me to read it from here.
Yeah.
If you have ever met kind of Fanta. Alright, I say warm congratulations to Coastal TV Cape Coast on receiving the award as Best Media House of the Year. This honor is a clear testimony to your commitment to professionalism, truth, and service to society. As you celebrate this well-deserved recognition, we lovingly admonish and encourage you to remain steadfast in ethical journalism, to continue upholding accuracy, balance, and integrity in your reporting. May this award not make a point of complacency, but rather a renewed call to greater responsibility, deeper impact, and higher standards. The influence you wide shape visions, build communities, and preserve our cultural and democratic values. Therefore, continue to be a voice for the voiceless, a platform for development, and a beacon of credible information for Cape Coast and beyond. Once again, congratulations. May this achievement inspire even greater excellence in the years ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. When I hear things like this from my board,
Yes.
we have a solid board behind us in your Costa TV was solid board. Our I do pani akuma pa what and on that note I would want to pay this glowing tribute to the founder, my husband, the late Selete Nyomi. Nobody is able to tell exactly most of what in your but the baby will be when you are Sunday. This is one vision. Don't be a some the Iradin or the mount. Na Gofro Kade for Concranon. Ne, a cade, and yes, you can see, never yen as robot the as robot soon. Yankopon, Uncle Danon for Crancy. Na me pede ye kan ye de zedi bobazen aswenyi nsupa ategudo. We know that kasenara na oti yen enyim na me ka bi onsunyi de ofuna anyejan ye bosodo and we will build on your legacies. Yes. There's so much to say about you, but at the right time we will do that. But at this time, at this point in time, you were such a wonderful person, and we continue to celebrate your achievements. Celebrate your me. Na mejuma fonze mama nkancha hon. I'm lost for words. Most na when you Costa TV nam make de wonye dama. Na shafo. Even wakado nyambo amfi gwe na ade. Ne wana no kada mbo gwe pe no wo. Even that, it was a hypocrite, a bene basa people who are boy na. I mean, menu so. O Santa America, thank you, no. Me, me there, obin so better than me catch. Thank you, I true, be no so obaba on board. Nti na poor far wo ugame muha and the central region. You don't wanna see p. You don't wanna see. Especially hen donor partners. Some can donor partners, some GIZ, Danida, Star Ghana. UNICEF wana ojumeku akasakasa oba wodi won tambo boyen tamane do Costa ye pede wodi dam dwumi ma hen na wa contract wa my contract ne ye di dwuma na am hon je de wona sipi hon wa me na dwuma ma ya yetum konkofo hon aboa no ye kiti dwuma ma wo ebodu mpempendra otside Media House of the Year. Onye small achievement. Ye do biara si me kind de won koda no won hwe Costa TV Warawinima, Warawunza. It's a world of endless possibilities. Now, this is the award. Now, I so far we memo. You don't want to say. You don't want to say. It's one can we preach for Costa TV now. This is someone can see when you soon there or Papa on board. This is the award, and I proudly present it and dedicate it to the glory of God and to the sweet memories of my husband, Selector Nyomi, and to my staff, my hard-working, committed, I call them the team, or a team, committed team. Nyamin Shobia, we thank you.
Amen, amen, amen. Oh. Man for hanky and bank, about there, more people may say, my emotion. Coastal TV, baby, I have baby, Yankopon, and why ye. BBA Muno, or say a dear Sada, and my Yankopon. Name me a dear Sada, my Yankopon, no sooner. Na in Nipa, Kobe or Monson, so a boy, a Coastal TV, baby, Adrian, so no, a Sefata. Say ye bebo or food you. Ono ena ye Coastal TV ye koye nim na mom na nya ya na ye betena ye be pese ye be koye nim more ekwakodru space wono na ye starting point enye home intino onso a wo hwe ye oye oboafo na pese wo beso ya sen bomoden na tutu anamo na ben ye na ye nyina ye mu a ena ye se ne na di kan Coastal TV adifia adefia abusafo ne ahwefo award na enyan celebrating wie yo na emom no ye be story so ofie ha sei na emom ye wie no na ye wie ye koswa adanyakopon ase na ya mema ye bachi su kakra ye nya ne kakra ye be yende yes media house of the year and that form no ebere yankopon ase meda mama Mrs. Nyomi na Reverend HB Esther Dennis. Reverend Pastor na me say HB no be chem kakra and what's the full meaning? And yes why an HB yes why an HB because me sure so with me abo yes why an HB tell me Pastor sir Reverend HB Esther Dennis me kwasem na me so and Mrs. Caroline Kwampa ase say anope omotiba beka yen say ofia say na yedi nkomo dededa etisa madinka bo medin ti no mama nsambo ni bia ye afiba esien meto say ye frame Susanna e mane hawo efia ha de mo bia de frame no but obietimi aframe afiba esien asoda kese enkoma eje yen technical manager ba ko pe na Richard Nyaminshira pa say no pe watimi ababeboa ye ebesan so ada prof Bamford J Nyaminshira so de bia obomode na wo hye nkran me yetimi ebeye ejuma ye besan so ada wo so outifia wo hye wo digital channel 514 anase Facebook anase YouTube nyame onkoswa na onshira ye be ma emuso na Coastal TV ye wonye ma pebebre ye de mawo ntimo afidie no enkoswa nde he ya kramo